Hello everyone, this is Steve Stover with LSS Drone Photography. I'd like to welcome you to part 2 of the series of the Wall of Healing. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.
The Wall that Heals arrives in Covington, Virginia. Covington, Virginia is an independent city. In the Commonwealth of Virginia, Covington has a population of 5,545 residents, not counting the outlying areas. In Allegheny County and Covington is a beautiful area with proud and patriotic men and women that love their country. The Wall is put together by volunteers that work together in their community. The Wall is constructed of a synthetic granite with 140 panels supported by an aluminum frame with more than 58,000 names on it, along with modern-day LED lighting, and is open 24 hours a day until it departs to another proud community. Volunteers will now start the task of constructing the wall that's 375 feet long and will turn this replica into a beautiful memorial for our Vietnam veterans. Great pride is taken into this task, and it's a great honor for these men and women in remembrance of our fallen soldiers that fought for our country.
Visitors are allowed to come and visit the wall 24 hours a day while it is here so they can pay their respects. And it's a beautiful sight to see at night, as you will see in the final video. wall was dedicated in 1982, visitors began making rubbings of the names on the wall. This began the tradition of visitors taking home a name, rubbing as a keepsake of their visit and a relative's that was lost in Vietnam. Thank you for watching part 2 of this 3-part series. This memorial honors the men and women who served and died in the Vietnam War. Please never forget these Americans that fought so bravely for us. A green jungle so thick and deep shadows crawl, where soldiers sleep. Each rustle a whispered threat, a soldier's heart forever set. Please never forget. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 3 and finale of the stories of men and women who fought so bravely for us.